Today, Alia is teaching Lena the first kalima. This kalima is called kalima tayyiba, the kalima of purity. It is the most beautiful sentence a Muslim can say. We say,
La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah.
It means, there is no God except Allah and Muhammad is his messenger. If you understand this kalima, your heart becomes bright and your iman becomes strong. Now, listen carefully and recite after me.
Alhamdulillah. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. 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 Muhammadur Rasulullah.
Now you know kalima tayyiba. Next we will learn kalima shahadat.